Hi there, this is the Papergang unboxing for June 2023. I've actually, I've filmed it already and then I realised I'd missed an item. So I'm doing a redo. This box is in collaboration with Micke Lindebergh. And let me show you what's inside. Just ignore all the bump. Ignore the fact that I've already taken the sticker off and opened it. Right, there is 2 greeting cards. Beautiful green colour. One is a happy birthday card with a very bright envelope. Blank inside. The other one is this gorgeous green colour. There is some floral washi tape, an Ohh Deer pen, and a planner that's material covered. It's a soft cover, soft outer, and inside it looks like this, with a page, a column for date, objective, and a page opposite for notes, and it's dotted. There is a ribbon there to keep your place. It's nice, pretty design, I like it. And the item that I missed when I filmed it the first time is gorgeous wrapping paper. I love this. I'll show you the gist of it. It's nice, isn't it? I love the colours. Anyway, that's it. That's everything for this box. I think this is quite a good value for money one. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks a lot.